friends, Running Kimono here. So we are still on Wednesday the 19th and we have a double header. We have more freebies over at Walgreens. And then I did a $15 basket with a paper booster and I got my basket completely for free. And then those Neutrogena wipes for 99 cents. So we're looking at bargain basement cheap deals. Got a cute little photo this morning of my two cats in lockstep. So they're kind of like similar, even though they have different body shapes. And like, how cute is that? Thumbs up if you love cats. They are both cute and adorable little ones, and they just wanted to say hi. And we're not complaining about the snow in this video. Not yet. Okay, so the first freebie is on the Garnier Fructis. It must be the Fructis. That's 2 for $8 this week over at Walgreens. There's a promotion that when you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. We also have a $3 digital, and IBOTTA has a $3 rebate that popped up this morning. So there's a lot of magic right here. So this is your digital coupon that you're going to load for this dealio. And then if you head over to your IBOTTA, there's a rebate of $3 back when you purchase 2. Now, if yours has the verbiage where you can't use a coupon, you can still submit and get the money back. But if you don't want to do it, by all means pass on it. Or alternatively, you can do the deal without a coupon and just use the rebate from IBOTTA. Your call. Just to jog through this deal, 2 of the Fructis for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for an additional $3 back. It makes this free plus a $1 money maker. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. I would do this deal quick because I have a feeling that IBOTTA, that rebate won't be there very long. Everybody and their grandmother on social media is talking about the free shampoo over at Walgreens. If you want to go on a nice trip to Walgreens tonight or go there after work, like make this deal happen. We love free shampoo and we live for this stuff. I mean, I would make it happen. Now, alternatively, if you did the deal earlier in the week and you still have your receipt, yes, you can photograph it. Unfortunately, the mousse that I bought was not qualifying for it, but the shampoo is, and I grabbed some this afternoon and it worked perfectly. So the next deal that we're going to be doing is with this guy. This week I got like a 39-cent print, and guess what? This guy is still printing. I was able to get it to print, so that was pretty fantastic. $5 back when you spend $15. So we're going to get a $15 basket rocking and rolling for this one. And this is always your mileage may vary as well. If you didn't get one, sorry guys, it's kind of like rolling the dice. So roll the dice or don't roll the dice. So the Axe body wash is $5. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. The promotion of the $5 body wash also ends on Saturday, so I did the deal. And I also grabbed 2 of those Garnier shampoos as well. So $10 for the body wash, $8 for the Garnier. Guess what? I'm at $18, so this is a pretty solid deal. So just to go through it again, $8 for the Fructis, $10 for the body wash for a total of $18. I got the cashier to scan my paper booster, and I had $10 in digitals melting off. $3 for Garnier, $7 for Axe. With my debit card, I paid $8 plus tax. Got back $5 in Walgreens cash, a $3 register reward. Photographed my receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA for Garnier Fructis. It made my basket free plus a $3 money maker. Remember, as you're using the booster of spend 15, get back 5, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster. All total was actually $9.08 with tax. And as you can see, my Walgreens cash awarded, it did appear, and I did get my $3 register reward for Garnier. So what a deal. Now, the final deal, I did this on its own. It's for these wipes, and they were actually ringing up $6.49, not $6.99, which is kind of strange. And it is these Neutrogena makeup wipes. And I'm going to show you the ones that I got for $6.49. So you might want to ask for a price check. And it is this plant-based one. It's called plant-based 25 count. Christmas gift. You make up little makeup things. And this is always a big thing that people like to have. So got a couple of those. We have this 4 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. So at $6.49, 2 of these would be $12.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, pay $8.98. Get back a $7 register reward for purchasing 2. And it printed for me, so it makes it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you got the ones that are $6.99, you can obviously roll $10 in Walgreens cash. It's better than this one, but make these deals happen. In case you missed it, first thing this morning, I posted a curbside deal that I did where I got like free Tide, which is fantastic. And Meijer, we have 3 freebies. I'll link this video right here. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.